Hey there, let's dive right into this quick explainer and totally demystify German verb conjugation. Think learning German is super hard? No way, not once you know this golden rule. Section 1. The basic pattern. We'll use the regular verb kommen, which means to come.
Finding the root is a breeze. Just take the infinitive and literally chop off the en.
See that? Those standard pronoun endings snap right onto our root like perfect little puzzle pieces. Section 2. What if the root already ends in an S sound, like the verb heißen?
Well, we just dropped the extra S for deuce because that funky beta already makes the sound.
Moving to Section 3. Some verbs, like sein, are total wildcards that change completely.
Just like Portuguese, sein shifts its root almost entirely depending on the pronoun you're using.
Section 4. Let's look at how these verbs actually power everyday conversations out in the wild. Mastering Kommen lets you confidently introduce yourself and tell folks exactly where you're from.
This specific phrase, using heißen, is going to be your absolute best friend for learning new vocabulary.
And here's a super fast, fun way to show excitement using that irregular verb sein.
Section 5. Now it's your turn. Let's test those new skills with a rapid-fire challenge. Try filling in these blanks. What forms of sein and kommen match up with ich?
If you guessed bin and comma, you totally nailed those first-person singular rules. Great job. Okay, next up, how do we correctly conjugate the verb heißen for the pronoun do?
Remember that S exception rule? Yep, it's just heist without any extra S added on.
Third challenge. How exactly does the regular verb kommen change for the pronoun er?
Exactly right. You just tack on that standard T ending to get the word kommt.
Now, what about the plural pronoun wir for our completely irregular verb sein?
For wir, the irregular form is simply sind, which literally translates to we are.
Let's combine them for the ultimate test. What fits with das and er right here?
Das ist, heißt. That perfectly matches the third-person rules you just learned.
You've officially cracked the code. So what's your very first German sentence going to be?